How to fix Facebook Protect. Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go open settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop and click also OK. And what you should do, you have to go to your Play Store now and update your Facebook, and then go back to your settings and go to set as a default and turn on open supported links. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.